Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Netflix not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, so just swipe up. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. You will see apps is here, so click on apps. Now here, so search Netflix. So after search Netflix app, so click on Netflix. So scroll down to end and click on storage. Now here, so click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, go back to home screen. Refresh phone, you will check your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Netflix not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.